Hello friends, welcome to the video. So Civil Steps has started one of the important series that is for Target Prelims 2022. Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civil Steps will help students to cover the most important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment and current affairs. This Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. So Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target Prelims 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant and will sail you through UPSC CSE exam very smoothly. So today we will discuss important questions of history which has a high probability of coming in prelims 2022. So the first question is, which one of the following revolts was made famous by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in his novel Anand Math? So the option A is A. Bhil uprising, B. Rangpur and Dinpur uprising, 3. Bishnupur and Birbhum rebellion, D. Sannyasi rebellion. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option number D, Sannyasi rebellion. So Anand Math is a Bengali novel written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and published in 1882, set in the background of the Sannyasi rebellion in the late 18th century. So friends, this topic of rebellion and uprising is very important from UPSC exam point of view. So you can cover these topic from standard sources. You should cover this topic very holistically because it has the large probability of coming in prelims. So let us discuss question number second. Consider the following statements. Statement number 1. Warren Hastings was the first Governor General who established a regular police force in India on the British pattern. So, the second statement is a Supreme Court was established at Calcutta by the Regulating Act 1773. Statement number 3. The Indian Penal Code came into effect in the year 1860. So, which of the following statements are correct? Option number A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 3, option number C 1 and 3, and option D 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option number B 2 and 3. So statement number 1 is incorrect as Lord Curzon was the first Governor General who established a regular police force in India on the British pattern. A Supreme Court was established at Fort Williams by the Regulating Act 1773 with jurisdiction over Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. So the topic of Governor General and regulating acts are very important. So you should cover this topic from standard sources. So now let us discuss question number 3. Who among the following was a proponent of Fabianism as a movement? Option number A, Annie Besant, B, A.O. Hume, C, Michael Madhusudan Dutt, D, R.P. Dutt. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option number A, Annie Besant. So the Fabian Society is a British socialist intellectual movement. It is best known for its initial groundbreaking work beginning in the late 19th century and then up to World War I. Fabianism focused on the advancement of socialist ideas through gradual influence and patiently insinuating socialist ideology into intellectual circles and groups with power. So, the personalities who contributed in our Indian national development. So, you should cover these topics from standard sources. You should read about these modern Indian personalities like Annie Besant, A.O. Hume, about R.P. Dutt, and other personalities like Lal Balpal and Firoz Shah Mehta, and many more. So you can read about these personalities. So UPSC usually asks a question on these personalities. So now let us discuss question number 4. The aim of education, as stated by the Wood's Dispatch of 1854, was option number A, the creation of employment opportunities for native Indians, option number B, the spread of Western culture in India, option C, the promotion of literacy among the people using English medium, option number D, the introduction of scientific research and nationalism in the traditional Indian education. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number D, the introduction of scientific research and rationalism in the traditional Indian education. So Wood's Dispatch of 1854 was considered as the Magna Carta of English education in India. So statement number C is incorrect as it recommends English as the medium of instructions for higher studies and vernaculars at school level. So this topic is very important as UPSC has asked question on this topic in 2006 and also in 2016. So you should cover this topic very well. So it is the nature of UPSC that UPSC repeats the topic in its prelims examination. So it can come in prelims 2022 also. So you should cover these topics and topics adjoining to this topic very well from the standard sources. So let us now discuss question number 5, which is the last question of this video. So which one of the following submitted in 1875 a petition to the House of Commons demanding India's direct representation in the British Parliament? So the option number A is the Deccan Association, B the Indian Association, C the Madras Mahajan Sabha, D the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number D, the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. So Pune Sarvajanik Sabha was established in 1870 by M.G. Rana Day and Joshi. It submitted in 1875 a petition to the House of Commons demanding India's direct representation in the British Parliament. So you can further read about the Deccan Association, the Indian Association, the Madras Mahajan Sabha and the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. So this is very important topic from UPSC exam point of view. So this was all about today's video. So I hope you liked the video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon so that you will get regular updates from our channel. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much.